Last point with you, Hurt, before we go. I want to talk about MLS and in particular Inter Miami. Of course, that post, those three T-shirts that we saw posted. Obviously, one will belong to Messi and the other two is suggested to belong to Busquets and Jordi Alba. If you're Inter Miami, are they two players you desperately need or two players you desperately need to keep Messi happy?
Oh, there we go, Dan. That's what it is. It's two players you desperately need to keep Messi happy, absolutely, because we've seen this formula in Major League Soccer before. Players in their mid-30s, 34, and respectively 35 soon in July for Busquets, under the Miami sun, and how that may be a disaster, a recipe for disaster. It's a very physically capable league, Major League Soccer. These two players are very good players in their own right. Busquets is one of the best sixes that's played the game. Jordi Alba is one of the best left backs in recent history. But at this stage in their careers, heading into a team that's abysmal, they're last place in the Eastern Conference standings, by the way, with a player in Messi, it's there to keep him happy. I will say Franco Panizo, a reporter out in Miami, has already reported that at least 5 signings will be coming in the coming weeks. But this, to me, is to keep Messi happy. But it's also a good sign because Major League Soccer needs to adapt. Major League Soccer needs to move away from the 3 DPs, from the roster limitations, the salary cap. They need to allow Miami to spend. Jorge Mas and David Beckham are asking to spend. They're screaming to spend. They've even cheated in the past before to spend, to try to be ambitious. Allow them to let Inter Miami be successful so other teams can spend as well. The only way this experiment with Messi is successful is if you allow them to spend. These two signings are a symptom of that. They're going to spend, but if you're asking me if they're going to make a difference, if there's no other spending there, absolutely not.
Sell Football Americas for me tonight, Seb. Not Seb, Hurt, whichever one you are.
No.
It's too easy. Well, thank you very much for watching ESPN on YouTube. For more sports highlights and analysis, be sure to download the ESPN app. And for live streaming, premium content, and let's not forget as well, ESPN FC 7 days a week. Subscribe to ESPN+.